Hello and welcome. Today we're going on a claymation safari, a world where every tree, river and animal is crafted from colorful clay. We'll travel through forests, grasslands and rivers, meeting amazing animals along the way. This is a quiet adventure. No loud noises, just the gentle sounds of nature. Imagine leaves made from green thumbprints and rivers of swirling blue and white clay. Our cameras will get close, showing every blink and twitch. Each scene is a moving painting, inviting you to relax and feel at peace. You'll hear the rustle of leaves, the flow of water, and the distant call of birds. Let yourself be transported. Feel as if you're sitting quietly in the wild. Claymation lets us see nature in a new, dreamy way. We'll peek into a bear's den, watch a hummingbird's wings blur, and celebrate the beauty of every creature. This safari is a love letter to the wonders of our planet. So get comfortable and let the clay world unfold before your eyes. Notice the small, beautiful moments. This is a story told in pictures and sounds. Let's step into this colorful world and discover the wild together. Take a deep breath and enjoy the calm. The magic of claymation is about seeing the world differently. Let's begin our journey. Our first stop is a deep, peaceful forest where tall trees and soft moss create a world of green. Sunlight filters through the leaves, casting gentle patterns on the ground. The air is fresh and the woods are alive with quiet beauty. Suddenly, a flash of orange, a red fox appears. Her clay fur glows in the dappled light, her tail tipped in white. She moves silently, nose twitching, ears alert for every sound. The fox is a graceful dancer, blending perfectly with her home. She pauses by a mossy log, listening, patient and still. Every movement is careful, every step part of the forest's rhythm. After a while, she curls up beneath an oak, tucking her nose under her tail. The forest watches over her as she rests, peaceful and safe. In this quiet moment, we see the beauty of stillness. The world outside is busy, but here there is only calm. The fox reminds us to find quiet places and just be. The leaves whisper a lullaby as she sleeps. Nature's peace is all around. Sometimes the most magical moments are the quietest. The fox is a gentle burst of color in the green woods. Let's carry this calm with us as we journey on. Now we reach the vast grasslands, a golden sea stretching to the horizon. Acacia trees stand like green umbrellas and the warm sun glows above. The wind makes the grass sway, as if the land itself is dancing. In the distance, a family of elephants appears, majestic, gentle giants made of wrinkled grey clay. A mother and her baby walk side by side, trunks swinging in rhythm. At a blue clay watering hole, the baby splashes and plays, spraying water with delight. The mother drinks and showers herself, joined by the rest of the herd. Laughter and joy fill the air as they play together. As the sun sets, the sky turns orange and purple, and the elephants rest, close and content. The mother gently touches her baby, a moment of love and connection. Watching them, we feel peace and wonder. The grasslands become magical as day turns to night. Elephants remind us of the joy of family and togetherness. Even the largest creatures find happiness in simple moments. The wild is full of gentle beauty. Next, we follow a sparkling river, its clay waters swirling over smooth stones. Bright reeds and wildflowers line the banks, and sunlight glitters on the surface. The river sings a happy song as it rushes along. Sleek otters appear, twisting and turning in the water, their brown clay bodies shining. They chase each other, dive and pop up with playful energy. One otter juggles a stone on its belly, floating on its back. Others slide down the muddy bank, splashing into the river with glee. Their chirps and squeaks fill the air, a joyful family at play. After their games, the otters rest in a cuddly pile on the sunny bank. They groom each other, keeping their fur clean and waterproof. Tired from play, they close their eyes and drift off to sleep. The river's song continues, wrapping them in peace. Otters show us the balance of play and rest. Even the most energetic creatures need quiet moments. Life by the river is full of joy and calm. Our journey climbs to the mountain peaks, jagged, snow-capped and wild. The sky is deep blue, the air crisp and thin. Suddenly a shadow soars overhead, a magnificent eagle. Its clay wings stretch wide, gliding effortlessly on the wind. With sharp eyes, it scans the valleys below, a true master of the sky. The eagle circles, then tilts its wings, changing direction with grace. It lands on a rocky ledge where a nest of clay twigs holds two fluffy eaglets. The parent brings food, gently feeding its young. Even the strongest creatures show tenderness and care. The eagle is a symbol of freedom and strength. Watching it soar fills us with awe and inspiration. Life high in the mountains is a cycle of hunting, caring, and growing. The vast sky reminds us of nature's endless beauty. The eagle's world is wild and free. Let's carry that sense of wonder with us. Night falls and our claymation world glows under a starry sky. The moon shines softly and the land is quiet and still. In the dark forest, a wise old owl perches on a branch, feathers patterned in brown and grey clay. His big eyes watch the world, turning his head to listen for the smallest sound. The owl is the silent guardian of the night, awake while others sleep. He glides down, wings making no sound, a master of the darkness. After his hunt, he returns to his branch and lets out a gentle hoot. The sound is calm and reassuring, echoing through the quiet woods. The owl reminds us that night is full of beauty, not fear. There is life and wonder in the darkness too. The moon and stars watch over the sleeping world. The owl sits patiently, a wise observer of nature's cycle. Night is a time for reflection and peace. The forest rests wrapped in silver light. Let's appreciate the quiet magic of the night. Our claymation safari comes to an end, but the beauty of the wild stays with us. We've seen the clever fox, joyful elephants, playful otters, soaring eagle and wise owl. Each animal and place showed us a different kind of wonder. Nature's creatures live simply in harmony with their world. They remind us to live in the moment and appreciate simple joys. The wild is a precious gift, full of meaning and beauty. Every animal, from the smallest to the largest, plays a role in the circle of life. Their homes, forests, rivers, grasslands and mountains, are treasures to protect. Let's remember the wild wonders we've seen and be kind to animals and their homes. Small actions can help protect our planet. By caring for nature, we care for ourselves and the future. The beauty of a soaring eagle or a playful otter is a treasure worth saving. Let's keep the world wild and wonderful. Thank you for joining our safari. May these claymation stories inspire real-life care for our planet. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of nature.